Good morning, students. Today we will start our chapter number 7, that is plants living and surviving. So first of all, I will tell you the introduction of this chapter, what we will read in this chapter. Basically the topics that we will read in this chapter, the first one is that what are terrestrial plants. So terrestrial plants are those plants which grows on land, and in under this topic we will study that what will be the features of the plants which are growing in hilly areas, which are growing in plain areas, which are growing in hot and damp areas, and the trees which are growing in desert area, and the trees which are growing in marshy areas. So in terrestrial plants we will talk about the different kind of trees, how they are growing and their features, and then we will talk about the aquatic plants. So aquatic plants, we all know that plants that grow in water, they are called aquatic plants. And under the aquatic plant heading, we will study about floating plants. So floating plants are those plants which float because they are either light or they are very small in size. For example, duckweed, water lettuce and water hyacinth. This we will study in detail. And in this aquatic plants, we will also study about that what are fixed plants. So fixed plants are, they are those plants which are fixed to the bed of the pond. They are known as fixed plants which are fixed to the beds of pond. They are known as fixed plants, and this we will study that what are the features of that fixed plant. And next topic is underwater plants. Underwater plant, as the name indicating, these are those plants which grow underwater like tap grass and powdered and pond weed. So these are the things we will study under the topic of underwater. And after that we will study plants of the grass family. So what are these? These are the cereal plants which belongs to the grass family of the plant, and some of the examples are like rice, wheat, bajra, sugarcane, etc. And after that we will study about that what are the uses of these plants of the grass family, how they are useful. First of all, they are useful for food for humans, and then they are useful like bamboo plants. They are used for making things like brooms, basket, chairs, mats, curtains, toys and huts, etc. And paper was also made from the grass, which is known as papyrus, so it is also used to make the paper. And some plants are also of the grass family, they are used for preparing medicines also. And the dried grass is also used to make the packing material, and root of these plant also, they help us to conserve the soil. So these are some of the uses of the grass family. After that we will talk about some unusual plants like insectivorous plant. So what are insectivorous plants? Insectivorous plants are those which eat insect. So these are some of the examples, like you can see here, like Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew. This we will study under this topic. And last topic of this chapter is rainforest. And what are rainforest? These are the hot and wet forests that are found mostly near the equator, and most rainforests exist in parts of Asia, Africa, South America and Australia. And about this we will study. So I have told you that what are the main topics of this chapter we will study. First, terrestrial plant, and then we will talk about aquatic plants, and third we will talk about the plants of grass family, and then fourth we will talk about some unusual plant, that is insectivorous plant, and lastly the topic of this chapter will be rainforest. So in the next video we will start our first topic, that is terrestrial plants. Thank you and have a nice day.